Hello and welcome to Res World Travel. Welcome to Bergen, a Norwegian city nestled between majestic mountains and a serene fjord. This place feels like a postcard brought to life, and at the heart of it all is Bryggen, its most iconic and beloved landmark. You've likely seen the photos of its colorful, timber-framed houses lining the old wharf. But what if I told you there's more to this city's story? Today, we're going beyond the postcard view to discover Bergen's true heart, from its bustling past to its hidden historic gem. Our journey begins at Bryggen, the very soul of Bergen. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is where the city was born, serving as a powerful trading hub for the Hanseatic League for centuries. As you walk through these narrow passages, you're literally stepping back in time, feeling the history reverberate in every wooden plank. What makes Bryggen so unique is its resilience. Ravaged by fires over the centuries, the community always rebuilt on the original foundations, preserving the authentic medieval street plan we see today. It's a place that has adapted while staying true to its roots. Now home to cozy cafes, art studios, and a living testament to a bygone era. But if you want to truly understand what life was like in these centuries-old buildings, we need to go just a little further to the Old Bergen Museum. This beautiful open-air museum is a fascinating collection of over 50 reconstructed wooden houses from the 18th and 19th centuries, giving us a window into what the city looked like before the age of modern industry. In the 1800s, Bergen earned the title of Europe's largest wooden city. It was a bustling, unique urban environment, characterized by densely packed timber buildings, lively streets, and winding alleys filled with markets. They inhabit the different homes and shops ready to tell you stories about daily life, from the wealthy merchant's struggles to the humble baker's shop. What truly brings this place to life is the opportunity to step inside and meet the costumed actors.
Examples of textiles, and we import those from Hamburg in Germany, and then they come by steamboat much faster than the ocean.
Unlike the bustling Bryggen, this place feels like a quiet, secret village. Each house tells a different story, allowing you to walk right into the past. It's a peaceful, immersive journey where you can truly appreciate the craftsmanship and lifestyle of a different time. You're welcome to peek through windows, or even step inside the houses to explore exhibits and historic interiors, with brief information available on the history of each building. Here, you'll encounter historical actors portraying both lords and servants from centuries past.
So you could feel free to sit down. You've been doing so much work today, darling.
And here we grind the fish and make a nice munkekake and
The museum's actors truly bring the site to life, offering a personal look into what life was like in Bergen 100 or 200 years ago.
That sugar is bad for your teeth. Well, you see, I sell the best sugar in Old Bergen. Yes, the best candy. Yes. Oh, you should come to my shop later and get a taste or two. It's quite good. Well.
It is highly recommended for anyone who wants a personal, engaging experience with history. Standing as a silent guardian over the harbor for over 700 years, Bergenhus Fortress is one of the oldest and best preserved fortresses in Norway. While we explored the homes and lives of Bergen citizens, this fortress tells the story of its kings, its power, and its defense. It was once the seat of power for the Norwegian royal court, a place of immense political importance. The most famous buildings here are the impressive Hakon's Hall, a magnificent stone hall built in the 13th century, and the towering Rosenkrantz Tower, which has served as a royal residence, a prison, and a storehouse over the centuries. Just walking the grounds, you can feel the weight of its history. From here, you have a beautiful view of the harbor and the sea, the very lifeline that made Bergen the city it is today. So whether you come to see the iconic Bryggen, immerse yourself in the past at the Old Bergen Museum, or feel the power of the Bergenhus Fortress, Bergen is a city that never stops telling its story. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this tour of Bergen, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures.